Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to channel for tech that enhances safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Today, we're checking out the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam, a high-performance front and rear dash camera designed to protect your vehicle, record every moment on the road, and give you complete control through advanced connectivity. Let's start with the video. The front camera records in stunning 4K 2160p, while the rear captures full HD, ensuring both angles are crystal clear. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, you get exceptional low-light performance, making night driving or early morning commutes worry-free. WDR technology balances exposure and prevents glare from headlights, streetlights, or bright sunlight. The dual-lens setup covers a wide 170 degrees angle in both directions, capturing multiple lanes, sidewalks, and surrounding traffic. Combined with 24-hour parking mode, the R2 protects your car even when you're away, recording motion or impact events automatically. Connectivity is another standout. The ROVE R2-4K features 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for the fastest download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. You can instantly access footage via the app on your smartphone, making it easy to share, save, or review events in real time. The 3-inch IPS screen lets you preview footage directly on the device, while the package includes a free 128GB memory card, so you can start recording immediately. The compact design ensures it doesn't obstruct your view, and installation is straightforward for both front and rear cameras. This dash cam is built for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who values security and accountability on the road. Its combination of 4K front recording, STARVIS low-light sensor, fast Wi-Fi, and full parking surveillance makes it a professional-grade dash cam at a consumer-friendly price. If you're looking for complete protection and high-quality recording for your car, the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam is an excellent choice. Check it out on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more automotive tech reviews that help you drive smarter and safer.